So we're going to be honest here, as you should know, that we don't work with anyone and we don't do sales. If you make an inquiry with the Tailored Life Company, the first thing that we will suggest is that you make a call. Not because we want to sell to you, but we want to get to know you. We really want to know what makes you tick and what you want to achieve from working with us.
We also want to know what challenges you're experiencing. So you're going to need to be honest on the call, but no fluffy stuff and nothing that makes you uncomfortable. And at the end of the call, if we don't think we're a good fit, then we'll tell you that too, but in a nice way, of course. Before we finish the call, you will have an action plan and know everything that you need to know in order to make a decision about your next step, including timescales and investment. The rest will then be up to you. No pressure, no selling, no gimmicks.
All you need to do is take the first step right now. So you can send us a message in the DMs.